Hey y'all, সবাই তোমরা ভালো আছো তো? This is your friendly neighborhood auntie from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. I have another new product to share with you. This is a brand from China and it's called GUICAMI. To many of us, this is not a familiar brand as it is from China, but why not give it a try? I have spent actually hundreds of dollars on makeup palettes, but this time I've decided to save some money but not compromise on looking beautiful because we are all beautiful in our own ways, and adding a little sparkle never hurt anyone. So, what I have here is this 35 color eyeshadow palette. There, this is 35 colors, and two of the colors over there are actually cream based. I will show it to you later. I'll point out which two colors are cream base. And this palette, as you can see, even under the sun, it is full of glitter and shimmer shades, and actually perfect for anyone who wants to experiment with nudes or bold colors. The colors on its own are very pigmented. They are actually very amazing. I just saw them online after spending hours online trying to find really good products that are worth using and paying for at the same time they're cheap. I've already done a swatch on one of the shimmers and it is really shimmery. And then the lighter colors could be a bit light for those with a darker skin tone. Like in my case, the green color I had to build up before it actually showed up as green. I will be using this palette to show you a makeup look in my coming videos. So subscribe to us and like us so I can continue sharing quality yet wallet friendly products with all of you. This palette is cruelty free, and I know it makes a lot of difference to many of us these days, knowing that the products that we are using is actually cruelty free. And on another exciting news, we do deliver directly to Bangladesh, but currently to two locations. One is to Dhaka, one is to Chittagong. So to all my Bangladeshi bones and bhais, us on the Friendly Neighborhood Shop, as there is something for everyone. And if you purchase this palette from the Friendly Neighborhood store, I will be giving you that brush set free. It's a 5-piece brush set. And I have spent so much time on the internet trying to find cheap and quality products. This eyeshadow actually caught my eye amongst a lot of different palettes. Because personally, I have gone through different phases in my life where previously my makeup was mostly gothic. And then I fell in love with your friendly neighborhood uncle. So it became more girly with pinks and sparkles. And now that I am a full-fledged budget auntie, I like my makeup to be both neutral, so people will take me seriously when I have to attend meetings, and bold, because I'm a rebel at heart. Hence, this palette called out to me. I will be doing a makeup look or two, so be sure to subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up when you catch it. Also, as I mentioned earlier, when you purchase this palette from us, I will be giving you a free 5-piece brush set. This palette can also be given as a gift, so just let us know and we'll make it an extra little bougie for you because we all want to make a gift very special. On top of that, the packaging, it's very light and also it has hints of gold. The outside and the inside matches. There's shimmer outside, the shimmer inside. So that's all for now. Do subscribe to us, like us, and adore us, and follow us, and we will love you till the end of time. And then all these colors would be yours. All you have to do is contact us on our shopping platform. In Singapore, we are available on Lazada and Shopee. Whereas for our overseas customers, you can drop us a message on our Facebook page, which will link you directly to the shop. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed searching the internet to find quality products for a wallet friendly price. Thank you for watching.